This is another video in the LandRover Lockdown Rebuild series. I got Larissa home at 17 minutes to midnight on the eve of the first COVID lockdown. Since then, I've been busy rebuilding every part of this. You can see all the other rebuild videos in this playlist. I'm coming to the end of it now. This is the nice part, the part where you start bolting all the bits on and finishing things. I've had galvanizing done. I've bought this stuff here called garage carpet, which is more of a felt and glues and takes forms really well. But the favourite part for me is this. This gas strut holding the rear door open is, I think, the best modification that I've ever done to a LandRover, with the exception possibly of that time that I put a 307 Chev and a Muncie 5-speed into a short wheelbase with VX Land Cruiser diffs and coil sprung suspension. That was pretty cool too. But this one here I'm really happy with. It's just a really nice tidy up of a long wheelbase LandRover with a good history. It's only had a couple of owners in its entire life. If LandRovers are your thing, why not subscribe to the channel and you can keep an eye on me as I restore, refurbish, recycle and replace virtually everything I can get my hands on.